How to redeem Apple Music code from Best Buy. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem your Apple Music code from Best Buy. The first thing you want to do is open the Apple Music app on your device. Then tap on the option of Sign In. Now enter your Apple ID. Then enter your password. After you have entered all the details, tap on the Sign In option. In case you have forgotten your Apple ID or password, tap on Forgot Your Apple ID or Password link in order to retrieve it. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to tap on the profile icon. Then in the account section, you have the option of Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap on that option. Now over here, you can redeem all of your gift card using the camera on your device. So if you have the gift card, then you can simply scan it and then redeem your gift card. This requires a gift card with a box around the code as shown in the picture. Tap on the option of Use Camera to scan your code, or if you want to enter the code manually, tap on You can also enter your code manually option, and from there you can simply enter your code manually. If your code is valid, it will be redeemed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.